Every business is different, but all incur heavy costs when an overhead door is damaged. Keeping your door contractor on speed dial and paying extra for overhead door repairs frequently is equal to a king's ransom. Introducing Aptos Industries, the Roll-Up Door Guard, a patented collision prevention device that will eliminate vehicle door collisions. It provides a visual barrier that stays in the line of sight of the vehicle operator until the door is completely open. Only then does the guard arm move out of the way to allow safe passage through the doorway. The roll-up door guard can be installed easily in less than an hour with no usage of electricity and works on any type of manual and automatic doors. From door malfunctions to operator error, the roll-up door guard will prevent accidents and start saving your maintenance dollars. Want to put up a roll-up door guard on all your doors? Contact us today.